You may have seen our recent coconut milk whipped cream video, and today we're making the strawberry shortcakes to go with it. You're going to start by adding all the dry ingredients into a food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can definitely do this by hand too. It just comes together super easy if you have a food processor. Then you're going to add your wet ingredients and an optional vanilla bean powder or vanilla bean if you have one handy. Then we're going to pulse it till combined. Next, we're going to get it out of the food processor into bowls so we can divide it up. This recipe, we set it up to make 3 larger size shortcakes, but you could divide it into 4 if you want 6, or if you want more, you can always double the batch too. It's up to you. Just adjust your bake time accordingly. If you're making them smaller, they're going to need to cook less. So it was super hot the day we did this, so our coconut oil was a little melty, so we popped our shortcakes into the fridge while we prepped our strawberries. And then when our oven was up to temp, we pulled our shortcakes out of the fridge. We topped them with a little bit of almond milk and a sprinkle of organic cane sugar just to help them brown a bit in the oven and get a little crunch on the tops. Then we're going to pop them in the oven for about 21-24 minutes. Watch that they're going golden brown. Then you're going to pull them out and let them cool a little bit. It just makes slicing a little easier, and you don't really want your whipped cream to melt on top of it either. I mean, that could actually be really delicious if you used ice cream instead of the whipped cream and you put cold ice cream on top of the warm shortcake and it got all melty. But here we wanted to keep it fresh and light, so we're going to top it with our berries that we prepped earlier. And then the whipped cream. And you can actually check out the video that we just posted on how to make this whipped cream at home. It's super easy, only 3 ingredients, or feel free to grab a can of your favorite whipped cream from the grocery store too.